Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, today's VR is for Southern Sandy Crafts. She is holding an Easter ATC challenge and all she's asking for is an ATC. That's it, and you have plenty of time to enter. So I actually, when I was taking out my Easter stash, found this card that I actually made last year. I definitely saved one for some inspirations. And so I'm going to be sending this in for my entry. And isn't this just so cute? This little bunny popped out of the window with some little glitter ears and his little cheeks. I just thought this was so cute. I'm definitely going to be making some more of these for this year. And then I made this little pocket for the ATC to go inside of, just really easy, getting a large Project Life card, folding it to make the pocket, and then I just added some little goodies in there for her. So the ATC will go in there to send her. And then I thought I'd send her some paper. So this is really fun paper. And then just put this really easy bag topper on there. And this is some paper that was part of a D-stash that I purchased recently. And then if you have received Happy Mail from me recently, I've been sending out calendars. I love and live by calendars, so I love to share them with friends. And then this was actually gifted to me last year in a swap that I did, I think, with the Facebook group online. I'm going to be sharing these bows with her. And then the last thing I did was I made her an embellishment box, guys. I used that. This paper also comes from the same collection as this one. And so I just thought this was kind of fun. And I won't ruin the surprise. You'll have to go over and check out her channel when she opens it up to see the goodies that are inside. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I will put the link to Southern Sandy Crafts in the description box below. Go and check out her ATC challenge. Let her know that I sent you, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.